Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So guys, welcome to my very lazy weekday vlog. Actually, I got up a while ago and I did my bed and all, and अभी आज का प्लान कुछ नहीं है रूटीन, as in I'll be going out for some work maybe. एंड आई एम रियली क्रेविंग फॉर मैंगोज़ और हम मैंगोज़ लेके आए हैं फ्रॉम आवर नियरेस्ट शॉप और उस भैया से हम मैंगोज़ पिछले 3 साल से ले रहे हैं. सो या आई एम रियली वेरी एक्साइटेड, स्पेशली फॉर माई ब्रेकफास्ट. यू विल सी वाई. एंड या कुछ नहीं है, मतलब ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करने वाली. इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी रैंडम एंड लेजी व्लॉग. मे बी आई विल डू सम क्लीनिंग मेरे मेकअप का एंड ऑल, क्योंकि मुझे शूट करना है ऑफ लाइक द वीडियो विल बी लाइक एक्सपेंसिव मेकअप आई ओन and मैं just segregate करने वाली हूँ and soon the video will be out, so stay tuned for that. And also sorry for this face, it's my morning face. You all see me in my no makeup face. This is my actual face with nothing and I like it. Mere most of the videos, I don't know, some people might not like to watch an ugly face, but yeah, I don't like to show something which is not true. As in, of course I do makeup, it's not like I don't do makeup and all, but sometimes when I'm doing this kind of vlogs, I like to keep it real and raw. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash my face because I have not washed my face. I've just brushed my teeth and yeah, I'll just do my morning skincare and I will see you guys very soon. Before I go, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family, like, share, comment, and please show the same love and support you guys have been showing it to me. It really motivates me and to do something better on my channel. So yeah, now final bye bye. I'm so grateful for this breakfast really, and it's almost like 11:15 and I'm having my breakfast now. I don't want to eat like something spicy because मेरे को बहुत nauseated feel हो रहा है. That's why I opted for like fruit breakfast and I'm gonna watch my favorite series, Vampire Diaries. Bye. So I was just segregating my makeup. It's done. I didn't record the process of taking it out because वो बहुत लंबा. So I have just arranged this all the makeup on my bed and ये Gucci bag मुझे actually, I don't know if it's real or not, but ये मुझे duty था in Frankfurt Airport. So yeah, and these products are all high end products. मतलब the range, like एक लिपस्टिक का रेंज स्टार्ट्स अबव 3000, so they are all high end products for me. Even 1000 रुपए का लिपस्टिक is high end, but these products are something which are gonna last me longer and they are like worth the money. So yeah, I'm gonna shoot this video maybe today or day after, so it's gonna be out soon as well. Hey guys, hello from my bathroom. Also sorry for the bad voice quality, like audio. I am in the washroom and thoda echoish ho jayega, so please pardon that. And also I gonna do my skincare, of course. And before we start, I just wanted you to introduce you to 2 products. I have been using this brand, and I have included this brand in my skincare, especially since the summer has started, because they have really amazing range of products. And today I have 2 products from the same brand, which is Derma Co. You all know I have really liking the results. You can see my skin, matlab I don't know if you can see properly, but it has really improved my skin texture. So yeah, let's start. Since you all know summers has started and people with oily skin usually struggle to find correct products, and today I have this amazing 2 products from Derma Co, which is their 2% hyaluronic oil control face wash and the other one is 6% hyaluronic matte face lotion. So people with oily skin always look for something that absorbs the oil without making their skin dry and patchy. But the products which have only calamine tend to dry out the skin, correct? So the Derma Co brings you to the newly launched hyaluronic range, which are these 2 products. So now let's start. So the first product, we're gonna start off with a face wash, which is 2% hyaluronic oil control face wash. I'm just gonna show you the application. It comes in this tube and just take an adequate amount. in your hand like this, and let's start. So this face wash clears excess oil and dirt from the pores to keep acne away. It has hyaluronic acid complex in it, which leaves the skin hydrated and calm, and the calamine, which eliminates excess oil while soothing the skin. The face wash has a non-drying formulation which maintains healthy hydration and nourishment while maintaining the natural moisture of the skin. I washed my face, you saw, and now it's time for the face lotion. And another product from this range is the 6% Hyaluronic Matte Face Lotion. So I'm just gonna show you the application and everything. Just open, it's a tube bottle, pump bottle. Just take few drops from it. I have taken this much because this is enough for me. And I'm just gonna show you the application now. So the matte face lotion is a combination of calamine clay and hyaluronic acid complex which absorb and control excess oil in the skin and give you a fine matte finish. The antibacterial properties of calamine helps to clear up whiteheads and blackheads actively. The hyaluronic acid complex maintains a healthy hydration level, not making the skin feel dry. This lotion also has an SPF 20 that protects skin from UVA and UVB damage. Guys, talking about the best part of this product is that both these products have niacinamide in them, which reduces the appearance of acne scars and dark spots to give you the fresh clear toned skin. And you know the Derma Co products are all fragrance free, so it's not gonna give you that headache just like their other products. And you can also include, after using face lotion, you can include their serums and the sunscreen, which is going to give you even better results. Also, talking about the key ingredients of this product is the hyaluronic acid, which prevents moisture loss, and the calamine. It has excellent antiseptic, antibacterial, absorbing and soothing properties which helps absorb the excess oil, and the niacinamide is the gold standard ingredient that controls excess oil and actively works towards reducing acne marks and scars and resulting in even tone and clear skin. So guys, please make sure, I will not say please, because it's up to you. You have to choose the right skincare for you, and I feel this product is really great for the oily skin people and skin tone people. So make sure you at least check out the products, read about it on their website and everything. It's mentioned. I'm gonna leave the links in the description below. Also, their products are available on Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon and the Derma Co website. Also, to avail a discount, you can use my code KADAM2023 and you will avail a 20% off on their Derma Co website. So do check out and let me know in the comment section. Bye bye. Hey guys, I did my breakfast and everything. You saw I had pretty delicious breakfast. And अभी मैं ना quickly video upload करने वाली हूँ. और आप लोगों को काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस थे, काफ़ी लोगों को, कि वीडियो अपलोड करते टाइम क्या क्या आता है, सिंस देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक कॉपीराइट चेक्स एंड फलाना डिमकाना. सो आई एम गोना जस्ट शो यू क्विकली, लाइक फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करके. सो डोंट माइंड माई वॉइस बिकॉज इट विल बी लाइक अ कार्टूनिश वॉइस. एंड यू कैन सी कि क्या क्या एलिमेंट्स होते हैं and how much time it takes and how it works. So just see through and you'll get a little bit hint of it. And if you're starting to open a channel and everything, so आपको थोड़ा idea आएगा कि क्या क्या mind में रखना है.
Uploading a video now. I'll just show you how to do it. That's how I upload my videos. Select files, go in movies, photos, sorry, and that's the video I need to upload. So I just select it and put down for upload. So usually it takes about like 15-20 minutes to upload an entire vlog, and most of the time I reuse my details from the other videos, so it becomes quite easier. And you just you have to fill out few things, and यहाँ पे monetization है. If you want to monetize your video elements checks होते हैं. The moment you start uploading your videos, that's वो जो टाइम लगता है ना 15-20 minutes में, उसी टाइम में YouTube सारे आपके वीडियोस चेक कर लेता है इफ़ यू हैव यूज एनी कॉपीराइटेड कंटेंट एंड स्टफ, एंड देन यू कैन डू द विजिबिलिटी. अगर आपको प्राइवेट रखना है, अनलिस्ट करना है, किसी स्पेसिफिक मेंबर्स को ही दिखाना है या पब्लिक करना है, और इफ़ यू वांट स्केड्यूल इट फॉर लाइक आफ्टर 2 days और आफ्टर 10 days. सो इट्स लाइक दैट. इट्स प्रीटी नाइस. नाउ आई वांट टू मोनेटाइज माय वीडियो, so I'll do on and I will do it done, then I have to go to next step, and then there's ad suitability. If you It's quite easy, matlab it's not a big thing to upload a video. It's just that you have to keep certain things in mind while doing it. Then यहाँ पे you can add the end screen, वो जो box में आते हैं end में, add cards and all that stuff. If you have any products to be tagged, you can put it. Then nice. Thank me later. Bye bye.
Hi you guys, sorry for the mess. Since summers are coming, मैं सारे अपने गर्म कपड़े वो बैग में डाल रही हूँ. Actually I didn't unpack my Poland trip का bag. Now I'm unpacking it and I realized that summer के कपड़े like this heavy woolen clothes, I can put it in that bag and keep it up there and just like kind of organize. Cleaning मैं अभी नहीं कर रही हूँ. जो कपड़े मैं नहीं पहनने वाली हूँ, I will after 2 months I will take it out because I will give it away then. And currently I'm just trying to organize all this, and that's me. Hi. And yeah, I started wearing specs because मेरे आँख की लगी हुई है, literally लगी हुई है. I started getting like teary eyed, like बहुत ज़्यादा, and मैं ऐसे ऐसे कर रही थी and मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा है इतने डिस्टेंस पे. Like I was sitting on my sofa and my sister was typing something on the computer. I couldn't see the small letters. I think I've got specs, and before it gets too worsen up, I really need to start wearing it, and I need to go to doctor as well to get the drops and stuff. Or if he says that point बढ़ गया, so I'll have to change the chashma as well. Till then, you guys take care, and I will just ये पूरा आवर के लेती हूँ. आवर के लेती हूँ in Marathi. I will try to organize this and see you guys soon. Bye. I have come to Cream Corner in camp to have fresh mango juice. I had one mango earlier, so this is not my first seasonal mango, but
I'm fine. What do you want?
2 fresh Alfonso mango juice.
With mango cream ice cream with that?
Not for me. No, I don't want ice cream. Juice नहीं है बगा हे वाला.
I want ice cream. अच्छा milkshake.
Milkshake.
Want milkshake? No ice cream.
I don't want ice cream.
But mango ice cream. So mango pack with ice cream.